What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to deposit on IQ option with MasterCard. So you want to make sure that you're already logged on into your IQ option account, and at the top right corner you're going to see the deposit button right there. Click on it. You have two options. When you want to deposit into your real account, you're going to click on top up your account under the real account option. Click on it. And here you have different options. You have the recommended, other methods, and you can see MasterCard, of course. Click on it. And here you'll need to choose the currency that you'll be using. Do take note that whatever currency you choose and deposit for your first currency, that will be the currency you'll be using continuously on your IQ option account. So you want to take note of that. So we will be choosing USD. Click on next. And then you'll need to put in the amount, either by writing it right here or choosing from the options right down here. If you have any promotion codes, you could put there. You have one available, of course, and then you can put in your MasterCard details, whether it's card number, month and year of expiration, cardholder's name, the CVC. Then, of course, you could decide to save your card for future instant payments instead of putting your information every time. However, this is really your choice, and if you don't want to, you could unselect the checkbox. Then, of course, you want to confirm that you accept the terms and conditions. And finally, click on deposit $50 if that's what you want. So these are the steps to follow in order to deposit on IQ option with MasterCard.